Find the length of the plank that can be used to measure the length 4 meters 20 centimeters and 5 meters 40 centimeters exactly in least time. So here see, length of the plank is nothing but here, like you can consider a scale. With the help of that, you should measure exactly 4 meters 20 centimeters, 5 meters 4 centimeters in least time. So here we need to find HCF, because 4 here see 4 meters 20 centimeters. I'll convert into like centimeters. So 4 meters is 420 centimeters. The other one is 5 meters 4 centimeters. So it is 500 plus 4, 504 centimeters. So the length of the plank that can be used to measure the length of these two exactly in least time. So we need to find HCF. So HCF of, I need to find HCF. So 420 and 504. So I'll do by prime factorization method. 420 is 2 times 210, 2 times 105, 105. Next 105 will divide with 3. 3 times 3, 3 times 5, then 5 times 7. Next, in the same way, 504. So 420 is 2 power 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Next 504, if I'll divide by 2, 2 times 2, 2 times 5, 2 times 2. Again if I'll divide by 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 2. Here 1 is left, 12, 2 times 6. Then again divide by 2, 2 times 6, 2 times 3. Now 3 table. 3 times 2, 1, 3, 7. So here 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 into 7. So HCF is product of common prime factors with the least power. Common prime factors with the least power. Now see, if you'll observe here, 2, 3 and 7. These all are common. So here the HCF will be 2, common factors are 2, 3 and 7, but with the least power, 2 power 2 and 2 power 3. The least power is 2. 3 power 1, 3 power 3, 3 power 1 and 7. So it is 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 7, 84. So the length of the plank is 84 centimeters.